At si Manuel hindi nag-hams, tuloy-tuloy. Driving in Canada. Yeah. We're here in New West, going to Holly Avenue, driving a Tesla car. Yeah. Very good, very good, very good, very good. We're almost there. A matter of few minutes, we'll be at Holly Avenue. Okay. Very good, very good. Kala ko wala na rito yung factory ng ano ng plywood. Andito pa rin pala, no? Kasi naako na sila rito eh. Look at the community. Nice place. Great place to stay. It's a whole package. Everything you want to see, everything you want to know, everything. Very good. Okay. Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back to our channel. Right now, we're almost to Holly Avenue from Owens. Driving a very cool, smart car, Tesla. Okay. Bakit pag galing tayo ng airport o kaya ng diyan ka dumadaan, diyan ka lumulusot, hindi ka na lumulusot doon sa sa may fire station?
Shortcut.
Diyan na tayo lumusot doon eh.
Shortcut siya.
Shortcut ba yan? Sila Manuel ba yung nasa likod? Ayun. Hindi yata. Toyota eh.
Oo.
Toyota.
Hindi, si Aga.
Si Aga. Sa atin kasi, talagang hihinto ka pag may guhit. Parang first in, first out. It's cool driving here. Not so many car. Unlike in EDSA. EDSA seems to be a parking. Oh, we're almost there. Holy, holy, holy. Yung sumunod yung labasan.
Yan.
Yeah. Akala ko dito playground mo sila dinala. Yung pala doon
sa kabila.
Sabi ko wala namang basketballan dyan eh. Ba, ang dami mo. Ano ba yun? Sibuyas?
Sibuyas.
Hello! Nakapagluto agad kayo? Kapagluto agad kayo?
Hello po dito.
Ay, baka kayo.
Inflatable.
No, tito. Hindi ako nagdala ng yellow.
And then, bukas mag-fishing tayo bukas ha. Mag-aakasakit na. Hindi, pwede na ako mag-asakit bukas. Last Thursday, mag-swimming tayo doon sa lake.
Madaming fish sa ano.
Well, mag-fishing naman tayo. Ay, mag-ano tayo. Pwede kayo maligo doon mag-boating.
Yung ko na, swimming sa lake.
Tingnan natin kung kaya niyo yung lamig.
Tinintay natin.
Oh,
Si
yeah, yeah.
Terence and Eddie.
Is that from Elmer's Club?
Because si Dobin
Your
pa
hoodie?
sasakay.
No. Where is it from? It looks nice.
You want it?
No.
Go